Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be doing marinated moose steak with a sweet touch and a horseradish. Hopefully you have all the ingredients at home. Instead of using moose, you can do it with beef, elk, caribou, whichever kind of red meat you have. Deer. It's an easy recipe to follow. The longer you let it soak, the more flavor you get. Follow through. Now hopefully you enjoy this at home. For this we won't be getting too many dishes dirty. Getting 1/3 of a cup measure, tablespoon, and a teaspoon. It's all we're going to get dirty to get our marinade. We're going to start off with 1/3 cup of real maple syrup, not the fake stuff. Be generous with this. There again, I'm mixing everything in a plastic bag. Makes things easier for cleanup. And it also helps eliminate a lot of the air. We're going to go with 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. You can use canola or other vegetable oil. This helps to reduce things for the fat content. We're also going to use a tablespoon of minced garlic. Here we're going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, either bottled, fresh, whichever one you want. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And here we're going to use 2.5 good teaspoons of minced horseradish, either mild, medium, or hot, whichever one you want. Okay, now here we've got all of our ingredients mixed in here. We can add some salt and pepper to taste, but with that amount of horseradish and maple syrup in there, you don't have to add a whole lot of salt and pepper. You close up the bag and liberally mix everything up this way. Becomes a good sweet slurry. And there you go. That's your marinade. So at this point, you're going to take your package of steaks. I'm using moose. You get them partially thawed out and give them a soak for a day. During the day, while I'm going to work, it'll be completely thawed out and ready for the barbecue when I get home. Welcome back. We're going to be doing the steaks on the barbecue. They were marinating in the love potion all day long. Now at room temperature, fully thawed out. Everything is properly mixed in. They've absorbed all the flavors for the full day while I was at work. You're going to get your barbecue ready. For this, you don't want overly high heat. You're going to want to get your barbecue grill good and warm. So your initial sear, get your sear marks. After that, you're going to reduce your temperature to a medium high and let it cook slow. Alright, here we've given our steaks a little bit of time. As you can see, we've got it developed a good char and a grill mark. Now we've got a couple of big steaks here. We just turn them 90 degrees and let them keep cooking. Alright, now it's time to flip. You can see that the steaks are starting to turn on the sides for color. Liquids come out to the top. And we're aiming for a medium to medium rare cook on this. So we're going to do the same on this side. We're going to turn it over. It's on a medium to medium high heat. let it sear for a little bit, and we'll turn it 90 degrees. And once it's done there, then we're going to be plating. Here I'm about to remove my steaks. You can see they've been cooked thoroughly. This should be a medium to a medium rare. Now we're going to finish plating. Potatoes, mixed vegetables. Alright, here you can see my steak is now cooked to a medium rare. I can give it an extra slice here to give you an idea of there again, because it's been marinating over the course of the day with the olive oil, maple syrup, the horseradish, and the garlic. You don't even have to add any salt and pepper. But everybody has a different preference, and away you go. It's just a suggested plating. Whichever way you want it, with rice, vegetables, carrots, take your pick. Remember, honor the animal that you've taken, serve it well, enjoy it. Don't let it go to waste. If you like what you see, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. Share the ideas with your friends. If you have any suggestions or comments, please send me a note. I'll respond as soon as I can. Thank you and bon appetit.